Good evening, respected honorable judges, respected honorable guests, and staff and students of TC Select and ITI. We, the mechanic automobile students, would like to present key project based on electrical and mechanical concept. First, Chamba will explain about this MPIF.
Good evening, everyone. Today, my topic is an MPIF system, which is also known as a 3.2 irrigation system. So let's start with the introduction. MPIF system is a fuel delivery system used in a modern petrol engine, where a dedicated fuel injector is positioned at a section code and it also replaces carburetor system. And the primary purpose of MPIF system is to improve engine efficiency, engine performance, and emission by supplying a precise and equal amount of fuel to each cylinder. These are the parts and construction of the MPIF system. This is fuel line, injector rail. It is supposed to be a cylinder. This is ECM, ignition coil, distributor, motor. It is supposed to be an engine right now. So this is part 2. And the working of MPIF system is based on Tata Degree, which is done by sensors. We will explain motor versus bed. And second is Tata processing. Tata processing is done by ECM, which is also known as a brain of modern car. And lastly, injection. Injection is done by injector. And with the help of spark plug, combustion happens in the engine. After this, someday we continue on this topic. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I would like to clarify about functional model of different types of sensors. Car sensors act as a car nervous system from detecting physical data like speed, temperature, level and pressure, and converting it into a electrical signal called ECM. Number 1, crank sensor. It is an electronic device that monitors both the physical position of the crankshaft. Number 2, cam sensor. It is an electrical electronic device that monitors the original speed and the precise position of the camshaft. Number 3, valve sensor. It measures the air pressure inside the intake manifold. ECM to calculate the air density and determine the exact amount of fuel needed. Number 4, oxygen sensor. It monitors the amount of unburned oxygen in the exhaust gases to optimal air fuel mixture. Number 5, oil pressure. It monitors the physical data and is number 6, knob sensor. It detects abnormal vibrations caused by premature air fuel mixture. Thus, ECM uses the signal to calculate adjust the air density, ignition coil, and air fuel mixture. Next, I would like to call Tashinamye to explain about this topic. Thank you.
Today my topic is 5-phase analyzer. 5-phase analyzer is a sophisticated automotive diagnostic tool used to measure engine combustion emission by several exhaust processes. Emission sensors are critical for reducing toxic pollution, improving computer, reducing respiratory and cardiovascular disease. All listed legal limits on pollution from millions and industries. So now let's check and analyze which harmful gases come from these legal sectors. The permissible limits of PSO2 is CO2 CO should be under 20 milligram, and here it shows 0.39%, so it's under the PUCC limit. And HC should be under 20 milligram, and here it shows 361 something, so it's above the PUCC limit. And NOx should be under 80 milligram, and here it shows 0, so it's under the PUCC limit. And O2 and CO2 are unharmful gases. PUCC system or the pollution under control.
Good evening everyone. Today my topic is why should take leave, which I made last year, but it is not capable to withstand of failures like bullet and personal, etc. To solve this, I made a huge change in square nerve system. As you can see, last year we used low voltage metal like mild steel. This time we use high voltage metal like medium carbon steel. And it's common principles of square nerve mechanism. And keep high mechanical advantage. This project shows how simple mechanical system work and useful, but it takes a lot of time, hard work, and energy. Next, other than
Namaste everyone. Today topic है ऑटोमोबाइल इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम. ऑटोमोबाइल इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम 5 उनके विद्युत सर्किटों से बना हुआ होता है. फर्स्ट होता है स्टार्टिंग, चार्जिंग, इग्निशन, लाइट और एसेसरी. जो हमने ये मॉडल बनाया है पुरानी गाड़ी का एसेसरी और लाइट के लिए इस मॉडल को बनाया है. अब इस इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम का डेमो दिखाकर बताते हैं. फर्स्ट है पार्किंग लाइट, headlight, high beam, headlight, low beam, brake light, MPS siren, reverse light, wiper, indicator flasher, and self starter का डेमो दिखाना चाहते हैं. जो इंजन होता है वो फ्लाईव्हील को घुमाकर इंजन को स्टार्ट करता है. और इंजन टेम्परेचर गेज, इंजन टेम्परेचर गेज है. जब आपकी गाड़ी ज़्यादा हीट होती है तो हम डेमो करना चाहते हैं. हीट होती है क्योंकि साइन देता है इतनी हीट हुई है जो 100 के ऊपर जाती है तो उसमें हम बॉइलिंग पॉइंट लेते हैं. Thank you.
आज हमने जो सामान लगाया है वो हम पुराना तरह से लगाया है. तो इसमें हमने मेन फोकस जो किया है वो हमने लाइट सिस्टम किया है. और जैसे कि देख सकते हैं हम लोग, यह है हमारा फ्रंट साइड का हेडलाइट है. इसमें एक गैस चलता है जो कि अर्गोन गैस है. और यह है हमारा छोटा लाइट जो कि 30 वाट का होता है और हेडलाइट में 7 वाट होता है. तो नेक्स्ट है इंजेक्शन सिस्टम जो कि डीजल इंजन का है. और इसमें हमारा जो कार का जो कार में आग लगाने को मदद करती है. और स्टार्ट करने में मदद करता है, तो यही है, तो धन्यवाद।
Good evening, everyone. We are there to give straight tea, and today our presentation is about thinking beyond electromagnets. You know, while in standard star motor uses 12-volt batteries and electromagnets, in our working demo model, we are going to show it in a different way. We are using common magnets from sound or speaker, which is going to provide the magnetic force that is required to start the engine. It's a simple and low-cost way to visualize the mechanics of how a starter motor works. And now I'm going to demonstrate this video. This is permanent magnets, 2 on each side, and this is a 12-volt battery. It's connected to the armature. This is the part of the starter motor that actually rotates, and this is the main part of the armature. It's connected to the 12-volt battery through a copper wire, and this is the switch, and now I'm going to turn the switch. In front of us is this is another part of the starter motor. Thank you, everyone.
Then we have, last but not least, this is mechanical motor pump, which is used for refilling and draining of lubrication in modern version. Lubrication oil like transmission oil and engine oil. Lastly, we done a lot of this project. It helps us to understand the electrical and mechanical system in practical way. We would like to thank our director and our training instructor for giving us such a precious opportunity. Thank you.